Hey there guys, it's Tina and I am back. And for all my charmers out there, it's time for our BOXYCHARM unboxing for what month are we in? November 2018. So let's see what we got in the box. I will leave my referral link down below for BOXYCHARM. They do send these boxes to me each month. So just so you're aware, I didn't pay for these, but I was paying for them for at least 6 months before they started sending me these. And I'm really excited to get these to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and check out what they have this month. All right, so as usual, they have the little pamphlet. So this one is Gold Digger, and gold is spelled G-O-A-L, so it's like gold. So all right, there are 5 full-size products in this month's box. Typically that's what happens, right? It's usually 5. I know it says it's 4 to 5, but I've never received 4 before. So so let's talk about the first thing on the list, which is the CoverFX glitter drops in the shade Nova. Now these are ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter, and you can use these under, over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer, and these retail for $44. Now, straight up, I was never interested in these glitter drops when CoverFX released them. I was like, why do I need these? And for $44, that is ridiculous. So these are supposed to be a glitter liquid, and you can use it for foundation, in your foundation to make it glowy, or you can use it as a highlighter, like a cream liquid highlighter. You can use it on your face. You can probably use it on your skin. Of course you can. I mean, duh. You can use it on your shoulders and stuff. But, I don't know. This is really pretty because it's a gold, like a light champagne-y gold with, I see blue and purple and pink and gold glitter. It's almost oily. So I don't know that I would want to use this on my face personally, and I'm definitely not mixing that with moisturizer or foundation because I don't need glitter. Like, that's glitter. It's fine glitter, but it's not ultra fine where you're not going to see that it's glitter. And I don't like highlighters with glitter in them. So I would definitely not use this in foundation or as a highlighter. I would probably use this over the lids. Like, I wonder if you can, I'm sure you can use these on the eyes, right? It doesn't restrict you from that. This would probably make a beautiful eyeshadow topper, like a little bit of glitter on the lid. Oh, let me see how, oh, see? Because I have to find other ways to use products like this that I would definitely not use the way they want me to. That definitely gives a beautiful, like, oh, that does give a beautiful look to the lids. Can you guys see that? All right, let me even this out. All right, that is gorgeous on my eyelids. Can you see? It looks like my eyelids are wet. I really like that. And that's bold glitter, so I wouldn't want that anywhere else on my face. Wow, all right, so I found a use for those, and it's like a really pretty color. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's holographic, but it does have multi-color glitter to it. Now this is definitely overpriced. $44 for this, and for what I'm gonna use it for, I would never. But to get it in a BOXYCHARM box with 4 other full-size products, and you would pay $20 for it, I would definitely use this and be happy with it. So there we go. Then for our palette for this box, we got the Ace Beaute, and it's Beaute because I reached out to them to ask them how to pronounce it, and they're like, Beaute, and I'm like, okay. So this is the Grandoise palette. It has 4 shimmer shades, 4 mattes, and let's see, $24.99. I had seen this on the Ace Beaute website when I ordered their Paradise palettes. So those are the really colorful palettes that a lot of people have been going crazy about. So I didn't order this guy because I wanted the colorful palettes, right? Plus they have like the orangey tones in their other palettes, so I knew I didn't need to necessarily pick this up. But getting it in the box is a great way to try it out. So like they said, there are 4 mattes. One is like a beige nude brown, like a lighter caramelly brown. Then you have this really beautiful orange, ooh, this orangey brown. And what I've always liked about the Ace Beaute palettes, the mattes feel really creamy. Okay, the beige really shows up beige on my skin, but it's creamy. They have this dense feel to them. The red one, which is Poppy, is a little bit drier feeling, as reds tend to be a little bit drier feeling. But those are really nice colors. And this Clove shade, which is this Carly shade, is kind of like the shade from the Sultry palette from Anastasia. So if you had this palette, you ain't need the special shade from Anastasia. And their shimmer shades, like the shimmer. Look, oh my god, Myrtle is gorgeous. And then what is this one? Jasmine is a light champagne. Oh my god, these are phenomenal. All right, let's see Primrose. Primrose is like a brownie gold. That's cute too, but Myrtle definitely kills it. And then Rose is a pinky duochrome like cranberry shade. It has a little bit of a purpley sheen, like a light purpley sheen. Those are gorgeous. All right, palette, come through. This is cute. All right now. Do these have parabens in them? Please no. Okay, no parabens, but let's see. It says cruelty free. Is it vegan as well? It may be vegan as well. I don't see any carmine in here. So they don't declare it as vegan, but they do say it's cruelty free. 12-month shelf life. These are made in the PRC, and there is 0.54 ounces in this. So you're getting quite a lot of product. Very happy with that palette. These colors are stunning. Okay, now I really like this palette so far. All right, so the box so far is doing pretty well. Then we have a LUXIE Luminous Eye Set. This is a brush set from LUXIE. And they've given us LUXIE brushes before. So there are 4 eye brushes in here. And, all right, let's see. These are synthetic, right? And this retails for $21. There are 4 brushes in here, synthetic brushes. They have a mini round brush for smudging, a mini tapered for blending your crease, a mini flat angled brush to blend out harsh lines, and then a mini angle to help you pop color on your brow bone. Okay, now these are mini brushes. I don't know that these shapes are necessarily things that I would fall in love with. So the blending brush, okay, it's soft. It would help to blend out the crease. It's a little stiffer, so I can see that it could help with like really erasing or buffing out harsh lines. So okay, good with that. This little pencil brush, inner tear duct, maybe smudging out the lower lash line. This little one though, this little angled one that they're saying, they say to use it to apply brow bone highlight, I guess. And you can also use it on the inner tear duct. I don't know that you needed 2 of these. And then you have this angled one, again, you can use for blending. So okay, not bad. They feel like a little cheapy, but I'm okay, I guess. For $21, it's the retail. I don't know that that's $21 worth of brushes, but it's cute. It's cute, and they have these little gold handles with glitter. These are cute, and they're handy. You can probably travel with these. Just a nice little travel set. That's not too bad, but not like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Then we have JonteBlu Glittering Star Eyeliner. This retails for $5. They've used JonteBlu before. This is a pencil eyeliner, and the shade that we have here, it says it's a black color, but it's glittery, right? Glitter Star. It's cute, and the whole packaging is cute. The pencil has like gold glitter on it, and it's a black with silver glitter. Now, here's the thing. You can't use this on your waterline because it has the glitter in it, so the glitter might get into your eyes. You might use it on your upper lash line, smudge it out, okay, or use it on your lower lash line and smudge it out. All right, I mean, it's smooth, it's creamy. I guess it's a pencil eyeliner. It's nothing exciting, I guess, but $5, okay, it's a $5 pencil. I'm okay with that. Let's try to smudge it out. It smudges out pretty decently, so you can use it as a smudger pencil, but that glitter, it's silver glitter. I could have done without that. I could have really done without that. All right, so last up we have the Lashaholic lashes. These are Instaglam Falls lashes, and these retail for $14.99. Elevate your look with our new Lashaholic lashes. These are 100% vegan falsies. Okay, so they're silk fibers, so these are vegan. These are not mink lashes. They are a very simple style. They're a style that I would like. They actually remind me of what I'm wearing right now, and these are from Esquito, the ones that I'm wearing. They're the style Miss Dolly. Very simple lashes, nothing too crazy, nothing too extreme, which I like. And these are a style that I would like too. So I think they did good with choosing this style because this would appeal to the majority of people. Like if you just want to try lashes, these are everyday simple. They're not like big Instagram lashes. So I am excited to see what happens with these. The band isn't too thick at all and they feel very soft to the touch. So I love getting a nice good pair of lashes. So I am happy with these. So let's review. We have 5 products. I am very happy with the eyeshadow palette. That's my favorite from the collection. And then the lashes. The eyeliner, that one I could have done without completely. The little brush set, it's okay, but nothing that is adding any, like nothing exciting to add to my collection. It's a decent little set. You can probably just throw this in your bag since it comes in this little zip plastic thing. And then the glitter drops, I like what it did here on my eyes, but I would never use this on my face itself or mix it in with moisturizer or foundation like they're recommending. But I can see using it on my body, especially with the holiday season coming up. You probably want to add a little shimmer and glitter. I can definitely see that happening, or like I did, put it on my eyes, which it's really pretty on my eyes and it really held up, so it's not creasing or anything, so it doesn't feel sticky. So I am actually going to use this a lot more on my eyes because I really like this look and I like that just wash of wet glitter on my lids, and it's not too overwhelming at all, and it's fine glitter so it's not chunky or falling over my face. So I like that for that reason, and I'm glad I got it in the box and didn't spend $44 on this because I definitely don't think it's worth that price. So it's an okay box. I do think you would get your money's worth with the Grandoise palette from Beaute, and these lashes, I think this alone, these are worth it. The other 3 products are just so-so. If you're really into the glitter drops though from CoverFX, it's a good deal to get them in this box since they're $44. So getting it in a box for $20 with other products, it's a really good deal. I like this in the way I used it, but for, you know what I'm saying, like $44 really, but I like having this. So these 3 products I do like. The brushes, nothing exciting here, and the eyeliner is definitely a throwaway product for me. So decent box, not the most exciting, but this palette is really awesome. And yeah, let me know what you guys got in your box. Are you excited about any of these products? Like I said, BOXYCHARM is one of those products. Not every box is going to be exciting, but you still get value for your money because you pay $20 per month and you get products that are well over that market value. So I do like the box. I definitely recommend you sign up. It's a great box. You can try it out for a month, try it out for 3 months. You can always cancel your subscription. It's easy to do. I ended up canceling mine, but it was an easy process to cancel is what I'm saying. And I'll leave my link down below. Again, that's a referral link, which means I do get a sign up bonus if you sign up through my link. If you're not comfortable with that, you can definitely just go to the website and sign up normally. If you use my link though, thank you. I do appreciate it because it does help me to put right back into the channel. And I like doing these videos for the charmers in this community. I know not a lot of people watch these videos, but I do like to share what I got in my box with you guys who also get these boxes. So let me know what you guys got and what you think of the products that I got, and if you got the same one. So I will leave everything mentioned down below. I will also leave links to my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat where you should be following me along. And until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye guys.